Let's take pizza night to a whole new level with a Thai twist packed with the power of peanuts. Okay, you have got to see this pizza close up. Look at these layers of decadence. All of that tender chicken in that spicy, sweet peanut sauce. Sauté sauce ingredients. Heart-healthy peanut butter adds flavor and 19 vitamins and minerals. Toss cooked chicken in half the sauce, then spread the rest on the pizza dough. Top with mozzarella, the sauce chicken, and shredded carrots. Grill or bake until the crust is golden and the cheese is melted. Garnish with your favorite ingredients like bean sprouts, fresh cilantro, fresh mint, and of course, some chopped roasted peanuts. Add a few more carrots and a squeeze of lime juice. All right, I'm about to get up close and personal with this deliciously decadent slice of pizza. So for more recipe inspiration, head to gapeanuts.com.